Hi friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of Legal Legends of India. In the present episode, we will be discussing a great legal personality, Bhulabhai Desai. He was born on 13th of October 1877 at Valsad in Gujarat. His father, Jivanji Desai, was a government pleader. He had his initial schooling at Valsad and did his matriculation from Bharda High School, Bombay. He stood first in his school. He did his graduation from Elphinstone College and did MA in English from Bombay University. He passed advocate's examination and was enrolled as an advocate in Bombay High Court. He joined the chambers of Sir George. Now the very first day, a very funny incident happened with him. Sir George told him that if you are useful to me, I will be useful to you. So this was the mantra which was given by Sir George to Bhulabhai Desai, which he never forgot, and on the contrary, he kept on passing this particular mantra to all his juniors subsequently. An incident happened that Bhulabhai Desai was sitting in a bar library taking down notes and doing some markings on the brief. At that point of time, a legal legend of that time, J.D. Inverarity, was passing by. He peeped into the brief, picked up all the notes, tore them and said, Mr. Bhulabhai, develop the memory to such an extent that you are not required to write on papers or scribble on briefs. And from that day onwards, in his entire practice, Bhulabhai Desai never made any single marking either on the brief nor he had taken down any kind of notes. He had such a roaring practice that it is said that there was a day when there were 21 matters listed before a chamber judge. All the 24 matters were argued by Bhulabhai Desai and he got the order. Further, there was one day when there were 7 judges. Practically all the matters before all the judges were the matters in which Bhulabhai Desai appeared. As far as his memory part is concerned, there is a very interesting incident which had happened. A solicitor of Calcutta, B.P. Khaitan, had briefed Bhulabhai in a huge case which ran into nearly 2000 pages. Client and solicitor came to Bombay, and on every occasion they had to keep on briefing Bhulabhai Desai, and every time they felt that Mr. Desai is not remembering the case. Suddenly, the case was listed on the next day. The solicitor and the client both were absolutely tensed because they were not knowing whether Bhulabhai Desai has read the papers or not. But to their utter shock and surprise, when the case was called out, Bhulabhai Desai got up, did not even touch those 2000 papers, but put forth the case before the court precisely and exactly as per the law point and facts, and as a consequence they got an order. So that was the memory of Bhulabhai Desai. One more incident is important. After the death of Bhulabhai Desai, it was at the request of the people, because people had tremendous love and affection to him. So it was at the request of people that the name of Warden Road was changed to Bhulabhai Desai Road. Team Hammurabi Tablet salutes him.